A coalition government is formed when two or more political parties come together to form a government. This condition takes place when no single party is able to secure majority after elections. In India, in 1990, no political party was able to form majority, so we saw number of alliances. Now Parneet will tell us how party status is decided.
National parties. In India, national parties are the political parties that have a national presence and are recognized by the Election Commission of India, having a significant presence in the majority of states and union territories of India. The parties are given a unique symbol. Only the official candidates of that party can use the particular election symbol. A party that secures at least 6% of the total seats in Lok Sabha or assembly elections in 4 states and wins 4 seats in Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. There are 6 national parties in India. Now Sachi will tell us about state parties.
A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as state party. These are commonly referred to as regional parties. There are currently 57 state parties in India. The parties like the Samajwadi Party and Rashtriya Janata Dal have national level political organization with units in several states. Some of the parties like Biju Janata Dal and Sikkim Democratic Front are conscious about their state identity. Now Rehan will tell us about the ideology of CPIM.
The Communist Party of India or CPI is a communist party in India. Its ideologies are rooted in Marxism-Leninism and it advocates through socialism and the establishment of the communist society. The party emphasizes class struggles and workers' rights. It achieves its goals through democratic means and including its participation into electoral role. It also supports secularism and opposes communication discrimination. Piyush, can you please tell the ideologies of Aam Aadmi Party?
The Aam Aadmi Party in India is often characterized as a centre-left political party with a focus on anti-corruption, good governance and grassroots democracies. Its ideology revolves around the principle of transparency, accountability and inclusivity in governance. The Aam Aadmi Party also emphasizes the rights and welfare of the common people, and its policies often prioritize social justice, healthcare, education and environmental sustainability. Now Raghav will enlighten us on the ideology of Bahujan Samaj Party.
Bahujan Samaj Party. Bahujan Samaj Party is a political party in India with a focus on social justice and empowerment of marginalized communities, particularly Dalit, Adivasi, OBC and religious minorities. The ideology of BSP revolves around majority, which encompassing the marginalized section of the society who have historically been neglected. The party aims to address their social, political and economic concerns, which promote equality and eradicate caste-based discrimination. Now, Parth will tell us the ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party.
The Bharatiya Janata Party, also known as BJP, is a political party in India with a nationalist ideology. It advocates for Hindutva, the cultural and religious identity of majority population of India, the Hindu population. It promotes economic liberation, development and has a strong stance on foreign policies and national security. It emphasizes on social conservatism and traditional values. Now Prabhir will tell us about the Indian National Congress.
The Indian National Congress is centre-left political party of India. Its ideology encompasses principles of secularism, social justice and inclusive economic development. It historically played a key role of India's independence movement and has advocated for policies such as welfare programs, land reforms, affirmative actions to uplift the marginalized community. Last but not the least, now Rishabh will tell us ideologies about National People's Party.
The National People's Party is a political party primarily active in India, especially in the northeastern region. Founded by P.S. Sangam in 2013, the party advocates for regional interests and has focused on issues such as regional empowerment. The party has participated in electoral alliances both at state and national level.
She memorizes us with her entrenching classical performance on the song Humor.
सामने रिदम और प्रेक्षता एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जो हमारे देश के राजनीतिक दलों और उसकी व्यवस्था पर आधारित है।
भारत में राजनीतिक दलों की महत्वता है विश्वास और सहयोग का सूत्र। प्रजा के हित में ये काम करते हैं, साथ मिलकर विकास का मार्ग साधते हैं। विभिन्न मतों का सम्मान करते हैं, संवाद और समझौतों का मार्ग धारण करते हैं, सामाजिक न्याय और समृद्धि की दिशा में काम करते हैं। राजनीतिक दलों की एकता है शक्ति, समर्थन और नेतृत्व का विश्वास है जनता की। ये है लोकतंत्र के मजबूत आधार, इनके बिना नहीं संभव है विकास का पार। राजनीतिक दलों की पारंपरिक सृष्टि है जनता के साथ एक साथ संघर्ष की धरती, सहयोग और समर्थन का जरिया है जो भारतीय लोकतंत्र को बनाए रखता है मजबूत और प्रगतिशील, जो भारतीय लोकतंत्र को बनाए रखता है मजबूत और प्रगतिशील। थैंक यू।
Let's welcome Pranjal and Prakshita on the stage. They mesmerize you with a beautiful performance.
I wouldn't want to be anybody else. You made me insecure, told me I wasn't good enough, but who are you to judge? When you're a diamond in the rough, I'm sure you got some things you'd like to change about yourself, but when it comes to me, I wouldn't want to be anybody else. Na 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 na. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. Na 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 na. You've got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says you're not star potential? Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says you don't pass the test? Who says you can't be the best? Who says, would you tell me who said that? Yeah. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says?
जब हिंदुस्तान की धरती पर गूंजते हैं नागरिकों के स्वर, तब लहलहाती है लोकतंत्र की ध्वजा। यहाँ के लोगों की पहचान है यहाँ की शान। तो अब आपके सामने पार्थ शर्मा एक गीत प्रस्तुत करने आ रहा है।
देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सबके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूल से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
Please keep silence. You should encourage them.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सबके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़े दीवाने की जहाँ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूल से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा तेरा रहेगा रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे मंजूर हमें जो भी तू करे रेशम का वो दुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूल से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा
Through the flow of the poetry, let us journey through democracy's landscapes, exploring the importance of political parties in shaping our society. So let us now call Paneet and Navyanjali for an English poem.
In lands where voices freely soar, democracy is a sense we adore. From town halls to ballot calls, equality resigns, embracing all.
Votes cast in hopes, dreams unite, empowering each regardless of might. Leaders chosen by the people's grace, guiding nations with wisdom's embrace.
Diverse views in vibrant debates, respectful discourse, no room for hate. For in democracy's gentle sway, every voice find its rightful say.
Though challenges come, we stand tall in democracy's embrace, one and all. For in the system, we find our worth.
A beacon of freedom across the earth. A beacon of freedom across the earth. Thank you. Get ready to witness the power of unity as our talented dancers come together to mesmerize you on this special occasion.